Yo, what is up, guys? It's like back with another reaction. Today we got Dru Bex. This is how you spell it: Drubex. Dru Bex, and we're listening to a song from his new album called "Strange Days and Long Nights." It came out March 22nd, so not too long ago. But yeah, we're gonna react to this song. The song has 13 songs that came out this year, and we're gonna react to this song called "Strange Days," and it's featuring Paris Perez. So it's gonna be a pretty little song. Let's get straight into it. So, trust me that Dru Bex doesn't sound like that. See how, again, you can hear how low he is, like right here. Like right there, you can hear him. He's like really low, like rev up the engine, zoom zoom. So it's like he's like really low, but trust me, that's not. He can sing. It's rap. I've heard some of these songs on here, and they're not, he doesn't sound like that. So, as of right now, he is, for this song, he's talking about, I think he's saying, rev up the engine, vroom vroom, like he's saying, everybody has strange days, everybody has days that stuff goes wrong, stuff doesn't go your way, and he's just talking about, he just wants to. Sometimes people just want to take a car and drive away, or just drive into a ditch, just because sometimes people's lives are like so stressful and so hard. So I guess this is why he's talking about strange days, long nights. So, but it's still a banger. Here we go.
Take a trip off the NASA, the planet of mansion, the planet of wave, and just gave them the anthem. It's busting the plastic. Got on the money and fashion. Pick up the mic like a Jackson. Ride on the back of the crashes. Wave of the maxes. I move with a passion. The diamonds is dancing like I'm racing to Canada. God took my hand and I praise him. I ran it up. Faith got me hearing a can't ever manage us. Tat on my wrist, so you should know it's official now. Build up the squad like I was destined to get them out. Yeah, strange days became a wave warning. Bring rain, I start to wave on them and watch them cave on them. Strange days. Switch up the beat down, started with the loops. Rev up the engine.
Vroom vroom. Hey, hey, yo, hey. Dude. Hey, hey, y'all. Dang, this is fire. Alright, that's the end of the song. Strange Days by Dru Bex. Go listen to it. Go stream his new album. Came out about 2 weeks ago, maybe 4 weeks ago. I don't know, but it was like 3 weeks ago. Go stream that joint also on Spotify, iTunes, every platform. Go stream it on YouTube. Listen to that joint. That joint's fire. You won't regret it. Dru Bex has some bars, and that song "Strange Days" was fire completely. So go listen to that. But we have a lot of people coming out with the new music. We have No Big Deal. We got Juan coming out with an album. I think we got One Day coming out with an album. You guys killed it on the One Day video. There's a lot of views on that one. And then we got Lecrae. We got I'm Hoping Tripoli. And then we got I think Derek Minor. I hope Gavi, and a lot of other rappers that I am really looking forward to. And maybe, but I have to tell you guys this. There's been sneak peeks of videos on 1K's Views Instagram. He's coming out with a What's Understood number 2. We'll be reacting to that. That's coming out next year. That's gonna be. That's the most that I'm waiting for that. So I've been waiting for that. I had no idea What's Understood was coming out, but I'm waiting for. I've been so excited about that. I heard about that on his Instagram, and I was like, "Dang, let's go, baby!" He's coming out with What's Understood too. So, and next year, be ready. I'm gonna be dropping a video about that. So yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Sorry that I'm rambling, but let's get me to 40 subscribers by the end of the month, and then yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, y'all.